Hello friends. Yeah, in last video we have seen the template driven form, and in this video we are going to see the reactive form. Actually we use the reactive form module to provide the model driven approach handling. Okay, so I will explain in detail in the next video the difference between the reactive form and the template driven form, but keep in mind we always use the reactive form, which is the better than the template driven form. So you have to focus on the reactive form only, my suggestion. Yeah, so now to start with the reactive form module, the very first step is I have to import the reactive form module into my applications in the app module.ts. Close this. Yeah, now I will remove everything which is part of the template driven. If you see here, I have removed everything. It is just a bootstrap form. Okay, it's just the bootstrap form designing, nothing in the form. Okay, just these are the controls. Okay, input controls on the button also. This is just a normal button. Okay, same thing in component.ts also. I will remove these things. Yeah, it's completely empty. I will check. Yeah, it's compiled successfully. Nothing is there, no any validations. Yeah, I have added the reactive form module into the app module.ts. Next step, see friends, this is very important points. The reactive form model. Yeah, here we have to use the form group like the ng forms. Okay, here it will create the object of all the components in the form with the name, suppose user form, right? Because I'm going to do the operation with for the user, right? Then I have to use your form control name. It is a class. Okay, and use the same properties of the user. Okay, so form control name class is used to get and set the values. Okay, from the template to the component and component to the template. Next field is middle name, right? And this one is the surname, right? Yeah, these things I did. Yeah, now simple only. Come here I use the user form. Okay, so just declare it of type form group. Okay, then inject a form builder into the constructor. Inject form builder means FB. You can give any name. Okay, just the name. Yeah, I have injected it. So in form builder, I will group the my template properties. So this dot user form equal to this direct form builder dot group, and in this I have to add my form component. So where I want to use the validations. Suppose I have to use the name. Okay, name here. These are the three properties here. Okay, we will see one by one. I will just check. Yeah, it's compiled, nothing changed. Okay, first thing, suppose I want to initialize the default value. Let's check, right? If I want to give any default value, the first property we will use. Next one is validator. Suppose I want to make this field as a required. These are the predefined, and this also means 2 also enough, but if you want to use the multiple validators, then you can use just the comma, like validators dot like min length, okay, like this. You can explore that. Okay, now but still I am able to click this, right? Yeah, because I have applied this here. I will remove this. Yeah, now so I have applied the validator here, right? If I remove it, nothing is going to change. For this I will use same things here. Now user form, I will use the disable button. If my is it invalid, right? Right? Yeah. So, but guys, I have applied the validator class here required. Okay. So, how we will use this into the template? So nothing, simple. Here I have to use suppose a small tag. Okay, and here I have to use the name. It's mandatory. Name is mandatory, right? So here I have to give ng if which class I use required. Okay, so let's check. Oh, missing unexpected parameter. Yeah, name does not exist of type app component. Okay, I forgot to, as I told you, the form control name is used to get and set the values. So get property name of type form control, right? Form control is used to this return this dot user form dot get property name as form control. Yeah, it's compiled code. See, now if I remove this, name is mandatory, right? You will get this. Suppose if I remove this value and if I use here as none, no any initial value, okay, this is if you see here, the name, the message is displayed by default, so this is not a good practice, right? So we have to handle it. I can use here if name to add one more conditions, that name is equal to dot distinct, right? Means if user did any modification or removed, it will appear. Once I do this, then it will be appear, right? By default it would appear, right? If we remove, then pristine. Okay, so you can see that these are the validation parts. You can touch, pristine, change, dirty. These are many things you can explore. These are the validations in Angular 9. So this is an example of the reactive form. I can use here like to create functions, create type user. We will see how to submit the form in Angular in reactive form. So here we will use the ng submit. Pass this value. Yeah, right. So if here, yeah, right. So in this way we will use the reactive form in Angular 9. So guys, you do a practice on it. So thank you.